Okay. Narinig niyo ako?
Opo.
So, tatapusin ko lang to para yung iba pwede namang ma-record ha. Tapos sa Monday, magbibigay na ako ng advanced lesson sa inyo. Baka sa Sunday meron na akong ipopost sa meron na akong ipopost sa Messenger. Nakikita niyo tong aking screen Nakikita niyo hindi?
Nakikita po, sir.
Okay. Ito yung binigay kong quiz sa inyo. O di kaya activity pala. Wala namang bearing sa inyo to. Okay? So, okay. Okay. In a right triangle, the ratio of opposite side, ito yung opposite side over adjacent side. Anong tawag doon? Opposite over adjacent.
Tangent. Tangent.
That's right, tangent. Okay? So, next. Alright, here. In a right triangle, i-drawing nyo muna. In a right triangle, here. Opposite is what? Opposite is 5. Okay? And then, adjacent is 3. Okay, what is the sign of the angle? Okay, sign of the angle. Kaya lang dito, hindi sinabi kung ano yung angle. So, pwedeng dito, pwedeng ito yung tinatanong, pwedeng yon. So, siguro, ang sinagot nyo is what? Hindi pala, adjacent pala is 3, given pala yung adjacent. Okay, so ano ito yung tinatanong, yung angle na yon? Okay, ano yung cosine theta? 3 over 5 o 4 over 5?
4 over 5, sir.
Adjacent.
4 over 5.
Adjacent, ito yung adjacent yung 3. Hypotenuse 5. Ang sagot dapat 3 over 5.
Sir, sign po yung hinahanap.
Mali ba ako dun sa sagot? Come again. Anong tanong mo?
Sign po yung hinahanap, di ba? So, okay. Yung hinahanap po ba yung sa may angle sa taas?
Sorry, sign nga pala hinahanap. Mali ako. Sign nga pala hinahanap.
So, dapat, sir. So,
4 over 5 pala. Sign nga pala hinahanap. Ito yung triangle. So, ito yung adjacent. Ito yung ito yung 5. So, ito yung theta. Sine, it's 4 over 5 pala. That's right. Okay, next is, okay, here, next. In what quadrant is sine positive and cosine negative? May assumption dito, hindi ko lang sinabi.
quadrant.
Okay.
Sir, may tanong po ako.
Tanong mo.
Sir, dun po sa sign of angle, ang ginawa ko po kasi, yung sa c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Para wala po yung opposite. Ginugit ko muna po yung opposite, kaya po sagot ko 3 over 5.
Ito na pinakita lang. Ang pinakita yung computation. Kasi obvious 3, 4, 5 yan. Hindi ko na lang pinakita. Di ba yan yung triangle? Yan, narinig niyo ako?
Opo, sir.
Yes.
Di ba ito yung adjacent? Oo. Ito yung angle. Ito yung 5. Oo. O, paano malalaman to? Di Pythagorean theorem. Hindi ko na pinakita. That is square root of 5 square minus minus 3 square. Ito ba yung tanong mo? Ito ba yung tanong mo, Iho?
Opo, sir.
Yan. Hindi lang pinakita, pero it's obvious lagi yan, 3, 4, 5, right triangle yan. Hindi lang pinakita. Okay na?
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Next is, okay, in what quadrant is sine positive and cosine negative? May assumption dito na na okay, na ang ano, na ang angle is in standard position. So kung ito yung unit circle na sinasabi, ito yung yan Okay, XY. XY. Tandaan mo yung ito yung unit circle, ito yung theta. Okay? Yung X laging cosine yan. Yung Y laging sine. Nakuintindihan nyo? X is always referring to cosine. Y is always referring to sine. Kasi kung 1 to, di ba yung cosine theta nga, yung cosine theta nga will be equal to yung coordinate niya, xy. Yung cosine theta will be itong x over 1. Yung sine theta is y over 1. O tinatanong, where is sine positive and cosine negative? Parang tinatanong dyan, saan y positive, saan x negative? Anong quadrant yon? Y positive, x negative.
Quadrant 2.
So,
Ito po.
quadrant 2. Diba? Y positive, quadrant 2 ang answer dyan. Tandaan nyo yung sine laging y, x laging, cosine laging x. So, it's quadrant 2. Okay na to?
Yes po, yes.
Okay. Okay. The reciprocal of what? The reciprocal
Cotangent.
of the reciprocal of tangent x is cotangent x. Yan po bang pumapasok? Okay, next is
Sir, question about that.
anyway, so mabibidyo ko mamaya para lang matapos ko. So, yung sabihin nyo yung pumapasok mamaya na, mag-review na lang ng record.
Sir, kailan mo ginagamit yung cotangent? Tapos second sa second. Sa equation, kailan mo gagamitin yung cotangent second sa second?
Ang reciprocal ng tangent, cotangent.
Opo, pero kailan mo po gagamitin yung yung equation na cotangent sa second sa second?
Hindi ko mag-gets yung tanong mo. Ulitin mo?
Yung equation po ng cotangent ko second sa second, kailan mo po sila gagamitin?
Actually, doon sa calculator kasi, walang cotangent, walang cosecant, at saka walang secant. Kaya, pag magka-calculator ka, kailangan gamitin mo yung tangent, reciprocal ng tangent. Pero ginagamit yan, halimbawa, I'll give you a triangle. No? Let's say, I give you a triangle here. Draw lang ko ng triangle. Halimbawa, ito. Halimbawa, ito. X, A, B, C. If I want cosecant, halimbawa, cosecant of x. Anong definition ng cosecant of x dito? That will be C over C over A. Tama ba?
C over A.
C over A. That is the same as sin x is equal to what? Is equal to A over C. Now, if you are given a value for cosecant x, pwede mong malaman yung, at saka isa dyan, pwede mong malaman to. It's just by definition. Diyan, kailan mo gagamitin. Pero bihira lang ginagamit yan pag nagko-compute. You know the reason? It's because yung calculator mo is showing only the sine, cosine, and what? Tangent. So, kapag hanapin mo yung tinatanong yung cosecant, kailangan i-reciprocal mo yung sine doon sa calculator. Pero laging ginagamit yan kasi pag may proving identities, lalabas din yan. When you're proving identities, lalabas din yung mga cosecant, secant na yan. Nakuha mo na?
Apo, sir, thank you po.
Okay na? Okay na? Can I continue?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Here. Ang tanong dito, A is opposite, B is adjacent, C is hypotenuse. Ano yung C? Hypotenuse. Ano yung A? Hypotenuse. Ano yung A? Opposite. Ano dito yan? Secant o cosecant?
Cosecant.
Kasi yung C mo hypotenuse. So obviously, yung A mo is opposite. So it is secant or cosecant? Anong reciprocal ng sign?
Cosecant.
Cosecant. So the answer there is cosecant. Yan yung tanong na yan. Oh, reciprocal na yung tinatanong eh. Ito na yung application ng tanong mo kanina. Kung kailan ginagamit yung mga ano. Sa tanong, syempre, kasi you should analyze problems, okay? Okay? Okay, next. Ito naman, the angle of elevation. Dito kailangan mag-drawing ka. Okay? The angle of elevation, ano ba? Ito yung triangle. The angle of elevation of the top of the post is what? 37 degrees. Yan. So, ito yung post. Okay. If the height of the pole is 10 meters, ito, 10 meters, what is the distance from A to the top of the post? Okay. The angle of the ito, ang top pala A, ito, post. Yan, no? Okay. If the height of the pole is 10, what is the distance from A to the top of the post? Pero yan. Ulitin natin. The angle of elevation of the top of the post from A pala. I'm sorry, ito pala yung A. Mali ako ha. Hindi to yung ano, hindi to yung A. Yan. Ito pala yung A. Ang top of the post yon. Okay? So, if the height of the pole is 10 meters, okay, what is the distance from A to the top of the post? Ito yung top. So, ang tinatanong, let's say ito yung X. Ang tinatanong dyan yung X. Okay, anong function ang gagamitin natin na may involve yung 10x saka 3? Sa tingin, sine, that's right. Sine of 37 is equal to what? Is equal to
X over 10.
10 over x.
Ay, 10 over X po.
10 over x. So you can solve for x.
Baliktad.
It becomes what? 10 over sine 37. So, ano yung sagot dyan? 10 over sine 37. 10 divided by sine 37. That is 16.62. Ito yung answer. There, 16.62. Okay? So, next na. In a right triangle, sine A is 4 over 5. What is tangent A? Okay? Pwedeng calculator lang 'yan. Inverse sine mo lang. Kuha ka ng calculator, inverse sine mo lang yung inverse sine ng 4 divided by 5. Yan. So, okay, yan. Pwedeng sine of A is 4 over 5. Gamit ka ng calculator. Tapos yung A mo is what? A mo is 53.13. And so on. Store mo lang sa value and then get the tangent of answer. The answer is 4 over 3. The answer there is 4 over 3. Or pwedeng gawin mong hypotenuse yung 5. Yan, oh. Tapos yung opposite 4. Okay? Therefore, itong natira dito, 3 yan. Tama ba? 4, 5, 3. Eh, ano yung tangent? Ito yung angle. O, ano yung tangent? Tangent is 4/3. Any questions there? Now, next. Ito, a nursery plant sa new tree and attaches a guy wire to help take a hold. An 8-foot wire is attached to the tree and the stake. Ito nakalagay na yung drawing, no? Find the nearest tenth of a foot, the height of the connection point on the tree. Tinatanong lang yung x. Tinatanong yung x dito. So, anong function ang gagamitin mo? O, anong involved na problem, x, 8, saka 42. Anong function gagamitin? Anybody?
Sine.
That's right, sine x. Sine of 42 is equal to what? Is equal to x/8. Yan. Yan. So, masasolve mo na yung x. X is 8 sine 42. 8 sine 42, that gives you 5.35. Or nearest to, 10 to the foot, 5.4 answer. Tapos, ito, nearest 10 to the foot. Yung calculate, yung computer, yan, kung ano lang tinatanong siyang sinasagot. Pag nilagay niyo dyan 5.35, mamalihan niya. Kasi hindi naman niya alam na ang sagot 5.35. Isa lang ang alam niyang sagot. Naintindihan niyo? Okay. Next is, alright, here. In what quadrant is what? Sine and cosine both negative. Ibig sabihin yung x and y both negative. Nasaan yun?
Quadrant 3.
Quadrant 3, that's correct. Quadrant 3. O, sine y, x, y. Quadrant 3 siya. Then the last number. Find the shadow cast by a 10-foot lamp post when the angle of elevation of the sun is 58 degrees. Find the length of V1. Ano ang shadow dito?
Adjust.
Yung X shadow. Tama. Diba ito yung sun, ang magiging shadow ng post, ditong X. Anong function ang gagamitin mo na involve yung X, 58, at saka yung 10?
Tan.
That is what?
Tan.
So,
Tangent.
Tangent. Right, tangent. Tangent of 58 is equal to what? Is equal to x over, x of, 10 over x pala. 10 over x. So that is tangent of 58. And x becomes 10 over tangent of 58. Tangent of 58 degrees. So ano yung 10 over tangent 58? That's 6 point, nearest nearest 10. So 6.2 lang. That's the answer. 6.2 feet. Any question here? So I think ito na yung now sa Sunday pa lang magbibigay na ako ng activity na gagawin nyo. So, pero mabubuksan nyo lang yun doon sa time natin. Naintindihan nyo? Di ba may activity? Nasa messenger lang. Mabubuksan nyo yung buong araw pala pwede. Yung buong Monday, pwede nyo mabuksan. Buong Monday lang ha. Mabubuksan nyo yung activity. Wala mo na tayong mga test. Puro activity lang. So activity doon sa Flexi Quiz, magbabagay na ako ng mga video. May video na. Okay, may video na siya. Pwede nyo reviewin tapos sagutin yung mga tanong. Okay. Any question? stop ko na itong sharing. Okay? Then sandali lang, ano ko lang itong screen. Okay. So, sa MS Teams ko na lang siguro ano to, ipopost yung video. Okay, so I will end the discussion already. Okay? In terms of attendance, can you what? Can you, yung iba baka hindi nakapasok, can you what? Can you put your name there on the messenger? Okay. Sino pa may question before I end? Narinig niyo pa ako?
Opo, sir.
Okay. So I will end this already. Put your names on the what? On the messenger. See you, I'll just give instructions on Monday that you can work the whole day on Monday. Okay, see you.